Introducing the new Bespoke 11 kilo Space Max range of laundry appliances, as you can see here. Now, Samsung love a key message and a key pillar, and we've got 4 pillars to help you guys remember all about our new range of appliances. The first one is energy. All our 11 kilo machines are going to be A rated. The next is space. More inside, but the same space on the outside, just like our friend the TARDIS next to me. We've also got reliability. All our 11 kilo machines, and in fact all our range going forward, will have 20-year warranties on the digital inverter technology. And our last key pillar is all about matching aesthetics, because as you can see, we do matching tumble dryers and washing machines, but we've improved the design to make them more aesthetically pleasing in the home. So there you go, 4 key pillars to help you remember the new Bespoke 11 kilo Space Max range of appliances.